Hello everyone, it's Ben, and I want to take you how we do data registration or how can we get data protection certificate. The first step is to create account. So in this video I want to take you how we can create account. You go to your browser and then you say create account, data protection certificate, data protection office Uganda. So when you click it, it will bring you here. It will bring many other terms, but you become here. Then you click that. After clicking that, it's going to load, and then it brings here. So we have to have our business name. So it's this one, Boy Zava. So you type it here. You put an email, the organization email. The organization email. It is this one. You put it here. This is the email that is going to be used for official communications. Then I'm just copying, then I press here. Then in the official contact number. Since there is already 7, so we just continue. Our first name, we can put Francis Bowe. So first name is Francis. Second last name is Bowe. Then after you agree, and then you submit. So this organization is already exists, meaning the account was created before.